Hi everyone, I am Praveen Kumar. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to explain about some of the problems on the logarithms, and if you not watched my previous videos, I did the previous videos on the logarithms. In that videos I explained about the logarithms identities very clearly. The video link is given in the description. You watch that videos so that you can understand about the logarithms identities very clearly. If you know the logarithms identities only, we can solve the problems of the logarithms. And let us go for the first question. The first question is, if x square plus y square is equal to 25xy, then prove that 2 log x plus y is equal to 3 log 3 plus log x plus log y. Here this one they given, and we have to show this LHS is equal to RHS here. The solution for this question is, given x square plus y square is equal to 25xy, I will take it as equation 1. Here what is the RTP here? RTP means here required to prove. Required to prove this LHS is equal to RHS itself is a RTP, and the RTP is 2 log into x plus y is equal to 3 log 3 plus log x plus log y we got here. Now let us take LHS here. The LHS for this question is 2 log x plus y. Here this one we have to show it as 3 log 3 plus log x plus log y. If you observe this question, this is in the form of m log, this total is a. This is m, this is log, this total is a. M log a. M log a is equal to log a power m, we can say here. This base will goes to the power here. So we get log x plus y whole square. Here this is in the form of a plus b whole square. What is a plus b whole square formula here? A square plus b square plus 2ab here. X is a, y is b. So we know that x plus y whole square is x square plus y square plus 2xy we got here. And we know the value of x square plus y square. What is the value of x square plus y square from equation 1? X square plus y square is equal to 25xy. From equation 1 we are having here log x square plus y square. X square plus y square is 25xy plus 2xy. Here 25xy plus 2xy is what? Here log 27xy we are having here. Now if you observe this one, this 27 is m, this x is n, this y is p. So you can say log m and p. Log m and p, or m into n into p is equal to log m plus log n plus log p. We can say the identity here. So we get log 27 plus log x plus log y here. Now you compare this one with RHS here. Log y matched, log x matched, but this 3 log 3 is not matched with this log 27. Now take the factors for this 27. What are the factors of this 27 here? 27 factor is 3 here, 3 9s are 27, here 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. 27 can be written as 3 into 3 into 3 means 3 cube we can write. Here the prime factors of 27 is 3 cube. In the place of 27, I am writing here 3 cube. So what I get here? Log 3 cube plus log x plus log y I got here. This is in the form of log a power m, that is equal to m log a. Here log a power m. Here a is 3, m is 3. So this 3 power will come to the base and become m log a. So we get this 3 comes here, 3 log 3 plus log x plus log y we got, and this is what we want here. This is what we are having here in the RHS. 3 log 3, 3 log 3 plus log x plus log x plus log y plus log y. So we got here RHS value. Therefore we can say here LHS is equal to RHS. At last we write hence proved. Here we proved the problem here. So we are writing here hence proved. In this way we can solve this problem. Now let us go for another question. The next question is, if 2 to the power of x plus 1 is equal to 3 to the power of 1 minus x, then find the value of x. Here we have to find out the value of x, and given is 2 to the power of x plus 1 is equal to 3 to the power of 1 minus x. The solution for this question is given 2 to the power of x plus 1 is equal to 3 to the power of 1 minus x. Here, if you observe the question here, the variable is on the power here. To bring the variable which is on the power to the base, we will always do apply log on both sides. Here we have to apply the logarithm whenever the variable is on the power. If we are having the variable on the power, we apply the log on both sides. If we apply the log on both sides, the power variable will come to the base so that we can find out the value of x here. Always remember, whenever we are having the variable on the power, to bring the variable to the base, we have to apply the logarithms. If you are having 2 power x, we can apply the log. 2 power x is equal to 3 power y is there. Here variables x, y are on the power, we can apply the logarithms. If we are having x square is equal to y cube, here variables are on the base. If the variables are on the base, we will not apply the logarithms. If the variables are on the powers, we apply logarithms on both sides here. Now here also the variable is on the power, so we apply log on both sides. Here after applying the log on both sides, what we will get here? Log 2 to the power of x plus 1 is equal to log 3 to the power of 1 minus x. We got here. Here x is there on the power, so we applied here logs here. Now it is in the form of log a power m. Log a power m is equal to m log a here. Log a power m is equal to m log a. So this power x plus 1 will come to the base. So we get x plus 1 log 2 is equal to 1 minus x log 3 we got here. x plus 1. Here x plus 1 is on the power. Here if you see, after applying the logarithm, it came to base here. Here you multiply x into log 2 is x log 2 plus 1 into log 2 is 1 log 2 or log 2 is equal to 1 into log 3 is log 3 minus x into log 3 is x log 3. Now we will bring all the x values at one place, all the logarithms at one place. Here is the x value, we will send this one to here. Here is log 2, we will send to there. So we get x log 2. Here minus when comes here, it will become plus x log 3 is equal to log 3. This place when comes here, it will become minus log 2 we got here. From this both we can take x as common here. If you take x as common, if you are taking common, we get log 2 plus x into log 2 is x log 2 plus into plus is plus x into log 3 is x log 3 is equal to log 3 minus log 2 we got here. If you observe this logarithm is in the form of log m plus log n. Log m plus log n is equal to log m into n we got here. If you observe this one, log m minus log n, log m minus log n is equal to log m by n we got here. So we can say this is log m plus log n, this is log m minus log n we got here. So what you will get here? X into log 2 into 3 we get here. Log m plus log n is log mn, means 2 into 3, m into n is equal to log m minus log n is log m by n, means 3 by 2 we got here. So here we get x into log 2 into 3 is 6 is equal to log 3 by 2. Here into is there, when into is transposes here, it will become division. So we get log 3 by 2 by log 6 here. So we got value as here log 3 by 2 by log 6 is the value of x here. Now let us go for another problem. The next question is, if log x plus y by 3 is equal to 1 by 2 into log x plus log y, then find the value of x by y plus y by x here. The solution for this question is, solution given, what is given in the question here? Log x plus y by 3 is equal to 1 by 2 log x plus log y. Here if you observe this one, this is in the form of log m plus log n is equal to log mn, or you can say log m into n here. So by this identity we can say this one as log x plus y by 3 is equal to 1 by 2 log xy here. Here if you observe this one, this is in the form of m log a. M log a is equal to log a power m here. So this is m here, 1 by 2 is m, log is log, a is xy, can be written as log a power m. So by this we can say that log x plus y by 3 is equal to log xy whole to the power of 1 by 2 we got here. If you are having equality sign in between and logarithms on the both sides, you can directly cancel the logarithm. So we got here x plus y by 3 is equal to xy whole to the power of 1 by 2 can be written as under root of xy. If you are having power 1 by 2 or under root xy, both are same here. Now we are having here under root. How to remove this under root? If we are doing squaring on both sides, we can remove this under root here. So we have to apply squaring on both sides here. We should do squaring on both sides. Why we are doing here squaring on both sides? Means to remove this under root. So after applying the squaring on both sides, what we will get here? X plus y by 3 whole square is equal to under root of xy whole square we got here. And this square root get cancelled here, and this square will come to the numerator and this square will come to the denominator. So we get x plus y whole square by 3 square is equal to square root get cancelled. We are having here xy only. So here if you observe the numerator, it is in the form of x plus y whole square. What is x plus y whole square? X square plus y square plus 2xy by 3 square is 9 is equal to xy we got here. This denominator you send to the RHS side. So we get here x square plus y square plus 2xy is equal to 9 into xy is 9xy, and this plus 2xy you send here. So we get here x square plus y square is equal to 9xy minus 2xy. Here 9 minus 2 is what here? 7. So we get 9xy minus 2xy is 7xy. This xy is in multiplication, so you transpose to the LHS side. So we get here x square plus y square by xy is equal to 7 here, and this xy you separately write for x square, separately write for y square. So we get here x square by xy plus y square by xy we got here is equal to 7 here. Here x square means we are having 2x here, x into x. So 1x get cancelled, 1y get cancelled. Here what is there till? We are having here 2x, 1x get cancelled here. We are having 1x here. So x by y plus 1y is there. Y by x is equal to 7 is the answer, and they are asking to find out the value of x by y plus y by x. X by y plus y by x value is what here? 7 is the value of x by y plus y by x.
If you like this video, share, like, subscribe to my channel.